Lyrlidr P-style rope light clips offer a large family pack quantity, making it easy to tackle full patio, deck, or walkway lighting projects without running short. The clips use a modern nylon formulation that resists cracking, aging, and corrosion, so installations stay secure even with long-term outdoor exposure. Included stainless steel screws are designed to handle wet weather without rusting, which is crucial for permanent or semi-permanent outdoor string light runs. Their low-profile P-shaped form keeps the hardware mostly hidden behind the rope lights, giving a clean, professional look instead of a clutter of visible fasteners. The 1/4-inch size works well for many common rope lights and slim extension cords, making these clips useful for holiday displays, garden paths, and architectural accents. Installation is straightforward for most do-it-yourself users, since you simply position the cable, drive the screw into the mounting surface, and the clip holds everything neatly in place.